Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we have from Cebu Pacific Air. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from our trusty Buy and Ship, and this was delivered to us care of SF Express. Okay, so I don't know actually what the SF means. That seems to be a company in Hong Kong, if I'm not mistaken. So as I said in previous videos, we usually order online. It goes to our US warehouse, digital. Then it goes to Hong Kong warehouse before it reaches to us here in the Philippines. And that actually adds like 2-3 weeks to the timeline of from the online purchase to house delivery. Okay, so collect today, now live in the Philippines. Made for collectors. You can check out the QR code and free shipping on orders over 15,000 pesos. That's it. So this particular consolidation is a consolidation of, I think, four items from different sources, from WizKids, from eBay, and also from players. Okay, so I think also from Game Nerds, but sometimes I can't remember all of it, but the important thing is they arrive and hopefully complete and safe. Let's find out together. Ta-ding! 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 Okay, so the first items we see here is the Masters of Time brick. So this is part of the epic sale of WizKids. Okay, so there was a time a long time ago that will be for the break. Okay, so that will be the last time we're gonna do a break of Masters of Time. Okay, and we see as well a couple of iconics here. We have the Roses for Red iconics. Okay, so this one $25. Okay, I can't remember the price. This one is for someone else. Okay, so already reserved and sold to someone. Okay, with Poison Ivy and Harley Quinn. So we're gonna keep it sealed in that regard for the buyer to enjoy the unboxing experience. Okay, sometimes when there's no when the item I order does not have a buyer, okay, a buyer yet, I also do an unboxing of it. Okay, but sometimes I keep it sealed because I want to share that experience with someone else. It's different to just get it even if in good condition compared to you're the one unboxing it. Okay, I usually unbox it just to make sure that everything is complete and yeah, and in good condition. So this one, iconic Cupid Deadpool. Okay, I think also for someone else. Okay, I already have this going to someone else. This one, iconics for Superior Spider-Man. This is going to be for me. Okay, so going to be for sell or trade, but I actually want to build a team around this. So I've looked at this in detail before, so I remember, and I sold that one. So I'm thinking I have to keep this one for myself, especially with the symbiotes in the Venom set. Okay, let's see some more. Ooh, we have the Venomized Phoenix Force and Agony. Okay, so Agony, I was surprised because he has the Sentinel keywords and I collect Sentinel, so I have to get her. Venomized Phoenix Force, we're able to sell our first Venomized Phoenix Force, so and of course we need her for our collection, so we bought another one. I don't know if we're gonna sell that or keep it for now. Okay, let's see. I hope they are here. Okay, the Venomized Phoenix Force is here. Okay, I hope she's in good condition. Okay. Okay. tongue and all, she's good to go. Okay. And then let's see the other one. This should be Agony. Okay. So thank you for the seller of this. Just to confirm that items arrived safely and in build. So super rare Agony. We didn't pull any of this in the local brick break, so I'm happy to get her. Try to build the Sentinel team. There's a couple more here. A piece of paper that's from the Whiskey store, and then we have bubble wraps. We'll probably use that. Plastics from Target. Okay, so indicating US. No, from Circle card. Okay, I don't know if it is from Target or whatnot, but plastics. Some more black plastics, and that's it. Yeah. So there's nothing else in the video, so that will wrap it up. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye.